cardboard, you bend it, you mark it, you make your templates. Once it's fitting properly, then you start cutting on metal. We'll see how this fits first. So that's a great starting point for the base of the subframe in the front. So now that we know this piece fits, we can go on and make a second one exactly the same for the other side. So we got the Siki bushings in the subframe to see exactly where it sits, since the original bushings can flex in their rubber. We don't want the mounting position to be moving after. So as you can see, I got two little tacks going in there just to hold it in place. Right now what I'm looking for is to not have the subframe tilt back too much and tilt forward too much. I want it to be just level. Little plate there. Pretty level. So now we could start thinking about tack welding stuff. Once again, the back section was tacked up before to get it to stop moving from the center. Got this drilled out, big bolt. It's going to create the mounting point of the subframe over here. What it's gonna look like. Okay, so we're back again. Cleaned up the piece, got it ready for welding. So this is the initial piece we started with. Now coming back to the other piece we did earlier, which is gonna sit on top and give this entire piece even more strength. You'll see why at the end. It's gonna go here.